I passed NCLEX Next Gen with ReMar V2. My name is Tashema, and I chose to use the V2 program because I've been out of school for 15 years and I needed content. And I also needed to better understand how to answer these next gen questions. This was my second attempt at taking the NCLEX. When I took it the first time 15 years ago, none of this next gen stuff was in play. So I knew I needed a way to be able to understand how to take this test. I thought about using UWorld and Archer, but those was only going to give me question banks, and I knew I didn't want to focus on just questions. I knew I needed content. I knew I needed resources that was going to help me understand the questions, and I'm so glad that I chose the V2 program. And as of August 14th, 2026, I found out that I did pass my NCLEX exam, and so I'm so excited that I'm finally a nurse. This is going to change so many things for me and my family. I first have to give all honor to God and praises to God, because without Him, none of this would be possible. So I'm so excited that I finally took this step and say that I passed NCLEX Next Gen with ReMar V2.